So today I'm gonna be installing a new muffler on my Khaos 850. Gonna be installing it and showing how to do it. Even though it's pretty simple, I might as well show you. And a quick rev before and after. So yeah, here's the Khaos. I just picked it up, used, but pretty much new. 850, 155, 2.6 Khaos. Here's my old sled. As you can tell, I like lime squeeze. This one has upgraded bumper. I changed the hood, windshield, tether, of course, fuel can. Still has the snow flap. But yeah, it's still stock exhaust right now. I did swap over the low bars. This one here is an 800 163. Thought I would upgrade, and I'm sure that is an upgrade. Here's the new GGB muffler that's going in. This is the mountain can. I had one before on this one, and I really liked the sound, so I wanted something simpler for my 850. Anyways, let's get to the install. We got the muffler, we got the Starbucks, we got the sled videos going on, and we got the sled helper here. He's a little bunked up there on his paw, but I think he'll still help. Anyways, let's get into it. Start taking the panel off, and they'll show you how to do it. Oh, this one's already off. Panel should come off like so. Set it down so you don't wreck it, eh? All right, let's give it a quick little sound test here. Fire it up. Stock exhaust. Let's give it a bit. All right, well, now that we have it all smoky and warmed up, so it's too hot to touch, let's go ahead and remove it. So basically what we're gonna be doing here is temperature sensor. We got a spring we wanna remove, 2 springs on either side of the header, and I believe a spring on the side. So yeah, let's get doing that. This is a 17. Little tip of the day, use a piece of string and hook it around the spring and pull them out that way. So yeah, stock exhaust, GGB, what a difference. This thing's gotta weigh at least 20 pounds, holy. This thing I believe is around 6. It's got the same sensor at the top. All we have to do is swap over the rubber from stock exhaust and slip it in there. Well, let's go ahead and throw it in. The seal is still on the exhaust. This part goes on the rubber there. Your hook goes right over that soft part. We'll put the springs back on and the exhaust sensor, and we're doing good. Also tip, I did remove this header one as well, just to have this pipe movable. So yeah, what you'll have to do as well, as I noticed, is the sensor is just a little too short with this wire. So you'll just have to cut the zip tie so you have enough room, and then re-zip tie it up a little higher. There we have it. Just get your flush cutters after and trim that nice. But yeah, look how much more room there is. Maintenance, charging the battery, cleaning, whatever you want to do. Much better. Anyways, let's give her a nice sound test.